Okay, you're welcome to the class once again. The question before us this afternoon is a set question, and the question has to do with a Venn diagram. And from this question, you can see subset A, subset B, and subset C. And we have the following questions. I want us to take it one after the other. So the first one says A union B. That means that we should look for the union between A and B. And what that means is that every set, every element in A and B all together, that is the meaning of A union B. So, what are the elements? The elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So these are the elements in A and B. That is the meaning of A union B. You can see I didn't pick 9, 10, and 11. Why? Because it has nothing to do with A and B. Very simple. So the second one says A union the universal set. Now the universal set is the mother set where all other subsets will actually derive from. So and the universal set has to do with all the elements in the subset. So now what makes up A union universal set is all the elements in all the sets. So here now we are going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And this is the answer to A union universal set. Now we have the third one, A intersect B. I told us something the last time. Now A intersect B means what you can see in A and also in B. That is the family. That is the same thing you can see in A and B. That is what belong to the same subset A and subset B. So now, what are those things? They are just two in numbers, which is 3 and 4. This 3 is in A and B. This 4 is in A and B. Every other one is just in one set. But these 3 and 4 are in both A and B. So the answer for A intersect B is 3, 4. Now let's go to number 4, the D. And the D says B intersect C. Does the same thing we did here. What you can see in B and also in C. That is that element that belongs to both B and C at the same time. And if you check properly, you discover that it's just 1, which is what? 4. Can you see? Just 4. You can't say 3. 3 is only in B, but not in C. You can't say 5. 5 is only in A, and also C is not in B. So the only element in B and C at the same time is 4. So let's go to E. Now the E says B union C. That is all the elements that made up B and C without repeating any element. So we're going to start with 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Then we go to the next one, F. A intersect C. That is what you can see in A and C at the same time without any repetition. So look at A, look at C. What are what? 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Now we go to the next one, G. A intersect B intersect C. That is what you can see in A, B, and C at the same time. And what is that? That is 4. 4. Then we go to the H. A union B union C. That is all the elements that made up A, B, and C. And that has to do with all the elements we are saying here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then the last question here, say A union C. All the elements that made up A and C. So, and that is what, starting with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 10, 11. Can you see? It's as simple as that. So whenever you see a question like this and you have to find some certain question, why not? Just make sure you understand what intersect is and what the union is. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and then drop your comment. Any question, please drop it there. I'll be at the comment section waiting to answer the question. Thank you.